Let's begin by making an Italian dressing. In a small mixing bowl, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter of a cup of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. The Italian dressing is done. Set it aside. Now, cut into bite-sized pieces 2 heads of romaine lettuce that should be about 8 cups. Transfer the lettuce to a large bowl. Then, slice in half 1 pint of grape tomatoes. Transfer the tomatoes to the bowl. Thinly slice half a red onion. Slice half a cup of pepperoncini. Drain 1 can of artichoke hearts and cut up into bite-sized pieces. Slice a few leaves of fresh basil for garnishing. Cube or slice 1 cup of salami. Back to the serving bowl, add 8 ounces of fresh mini mozzarella balls, the salami, artichoke hearts, along with half a cup of Kalamata olives, half a cup of green olives, half a cup of black olives, the quarter of a cup of pepperoncini, sliced red onion, and last but not least, garnish with sliced fresh basil. And if everything goes according to plan, your antipasto salad will look like this. Ooh. There you guys have it. I cannot stop making this salad. My family keeps asking for more. Antipasto salad. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Yeah.